I'm is an abbreviation for the word I am. It is used in combination with other words to tell someone about yourself or to describe something you are doing. Here are some examples. I'm so tired. I'm confused. I'm happy. I'm 23 years old. I'm hungry. I'm nervous. I'm excited. I'm leaving work. I'm thirsty. I'm from Seattle. You can also add descriptive words with I'm, such as, I'm extremely tired. I'm very happy. I'm terribly hungry. I'm super excited. I'm very nervous. I'm in, at, on describes an action you are doing. Most commonly, you would use the word in when entering a physical location such as a room or a building. Here are some examples. I'm in the shower. I'm in the lobby. I'm in a car. I'm in a house. I'm in a school. Using the word at helps tell someone where you currently are. The difference between at and in is that the physical location is general. Here are some examples. I'm at the grocery. I'm at the mall. I'm at the doctor's office. I'm at the park. I'm at the airport. However, in some cases you can use at and in interchangeably. Here are some examples. I'm at the mall. I'm in the mall. I'm at the park. I'm in the park. I'm at the grocery. I'm in the grocery. Using the word on is referring to a non-physical location such as your time being utilized by something else. Here are some examples. I'm on the phone. I'm on my computer. I'm on a bus.